today is the 6th of January. Yeah, and since this year start, I said few trade ideas and trade, the signal on my free Telegram channel. As you know, uh, look at that, guys. Since this year, we just smashing the group in every single trade. Almost hit take profit apart from one or two. Is all I can say is lots better than your paid group, guys. Because I've been testing few signal group. They're charging for like 80 quid a month, 90 quid a month, even 350 quid a month, and just coming people, for there is the ridiculous price for the monthly subscription, and they ended up with like one or two, or even the negative are in the end of the week. So as you can see, guys, look, all my trade almost hit take profit. Look, just go for yourself and check out my Telegram channel and see for yourself. Don't need to trade as soon as I said the Telegram. Just open the trade in demo account and see for yourself, guys. It's all about is free. Look, just only one stop loss we hit this year so far. Look, it's 3 hour. Look, another 3 hour. Look, 4.5 hours. But most importantly, today I'm gonna talk about like last recent 3 trade sent on the chat on a group. So, and I'm gonna break it down why I take those trade, and how do I do the technical analysis as well. So this one, I believe, yeah, euro sweet. Look, it was limited order. I sent 11th of January, and yeah, it take profit. Second one was British AUD, British Pound AUD, and this one was my favorite, British Pound Swiss franc. So yeah, look, this one, look, and I put the stop in the break even and let that trade run. And this one as well, AUD CHF. Look, I put the limit order, and look at the end, stop, then boom, straight into the profit. And look, this one, the GBP francs, it was hanging around a few times, but yeah, it was. I closed 50% of my lot size in that point. As soon as it take New Year's high previous day, then I put 50%, but I didn't put the stop loss on a break even, because all I need to do, it's my different strategy. Because look, if I rexing here like £100, yeah, so when it runs like 10 like 2 hours, I close 50, but I didn't put the stop loss in a break even. That means I skip my stop loss here, but still then if I close here with like 200 or £100 profit, then when if it come back and hit my stop loss, that means I lose 100. But already I bagged 100 here, so it almost like break even for me. So I put half lots of cut here and let the trade run to hit the take profit. So yeah, those are 3 trade, and I'm gonna jump into the chart and explain those 3 trade, and why I took and how I analyze the market before taking the trades. Yeah, see you in a short time. Hello guys, so this one is the GBP CHF trade that I'm talking about, the previously, and I sent it to my Telegram channel recently. So I'm gonna break it down how I take the trade, and yeah, how I manage the trade. So as you can see, we were like bearish trend since last year, and then now it turned into bearish to bullish. We clearly see in a 15-minute chart is kind of bullish market structure forming. So it's about like 29th of December, like beginning of the year. Yeah, market start to shift to the upside. So I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna start from here. So I can see We broke to the upside. Yeah, take out the inducement, and this was our like extreme order block, and this was our like secondary order block. So take the inducement, market came down, tap the order block, and break the market structure upside again. Then there's the inducement with the, I believe, yeah, it's a London low, session low. So I believe the next day it could be drop down, take those liquidities and tap the, the extreme order blocking it down there, then moving up. I sent the idea in my Telegram channel as well, and then Michael broke the structure, and yeah, I sent this one as well on my Telegram channel as well. That area marked it, but look how close it was. We missed the trade. Then I took it for the short time low and took it, and it was about 2 hour hit. But I didn't send it. I believe I didn't send it to the Telegram, but I took it in personally. Then it's breaking, it's market consolidating that much. Then news came up, and then yeah, so news came up and pushed, take all the slow and all the liquidity and keep moving upside. So yeah, in that trade, and when I mark those two, broke the structure, take the inducement and create two other block. When I mark the other block, I'm I'm I was confused about this one because I thought it could take, market could come down and take those liquidity and tap into the, that's why I mark it, but I didn't take the trade here. I was waiting for here, and just protect that law, so I could get like less risk trade on here, but market didn't tap to my entry zone and moving upside. So it is what it is. Just I'm just waiting patiently and um, waiting for the next entry setup. The market make the market structure again, yep, again, and then market didn't come back to the order block and came here and break it and tap it to the, making like demand chain here. So yeah, then when I analyze the starting from here, I just mark those, the zone here, and once the market break the structure to the upside, and I mark that my inducement here, market came down, take the inducement, so this become our strong low, because market is up bullish, so obviously market forming strong low, weak high, keep breaking that high until markets switch the structure or switch that trend. As you can see, I mark those sessions high and low because session high is low act like as a like liquidity, you know. So market must take highs and low in internal range or internal moving. So market, I mark Asian lows and Asian highs. Market up, take the Asian high in London and take the Asian lows and keep breaking and tap to the zone and change the character. In New York, market start to taking high. And when I mark the zone, and yeah, London mark, so my target was like, um if I got like any fine zone here, I would prefer take entry here than rather than this one. But there's almost all the zone is already mitigated except this one. So I take the entry here, and my target was previous days London, New York high, London high, and the week high as well. So when I sent the trade here and I mark the supply zone, I believe if market tap to the zone, and I'm looking for the the sell for like short time 1 minute, but I wasn't active down as market came back, take this high, then came down and take the profit, take profit to the upside as well. So this was my GBP trade, almost 4 hour. Yeah, thank you. And next trade, I believe it was AUD So I'm gonna jump to the chart and show you how I mark the uh, market. And so next one could be Next one is our GBP AUD. Yeah. So as you can see, all the GBP pair is kind of bullish since the new year. So look, that previous day market break the structure, take the inducement, and I mark those zone and I put like 0.5 point risks both of trade with the limit order, and because there's some liquidity, so I expect market came back to that zone and got for like a huge risk reward ratio. Yeah, but market up to my this one and look smashed 3.5 R, and the market come back to again take all the liquidity and breaking the step and to the upside again, and look market tapping, keep respecting the demand zone, and yeah, and it was, I think it was CPI news, so markets shooting to the upside and consolidating in the Asian after the New York, the Asian session, and when I see the market intend to come back to the zone like in Asian session, then I put mark the zone and I like it's gonna tap the zone, take the change the character in a low time frame, then tap it again, take the liquidity from downside and move into the upside. Yeah, I was so lucky. It almost hit my stop loss. I don't think if any of member in my group and if they took the trade, and if it's like the prop firm broker, so they got huge spread and the slippage issues, so they might tag into the stop loss. But my personal account, the broker, they really less spread, so it didn't take me out, and yeah, it take the take profit, smashed it here. Already I closed my target was about like 5 hour, but I closed it like 4.5. So it almost, I don't wanna wait and market come back, good reversal or anything. So yeah, it was my second trade I'm talking about, and now I'm gonna go to the first trade, the last trade on of those three trade, which is AUD, Australian dollar versus Swiss franc. So let me see. Yeah, in that trade, look, in that trade in this year, I took only three trade since the start coming three trade, the year coming three trade on AUD, and three of them hit take profit. You can see market was bearish for AUD and I marked the zone. Market expect those zone, but I didn't take those um, trade on that zone. Then market take the investment, tap on that zone, and I took the trade on I think it was 8th of January. I sent it on my Telegram as well, and tap into the demand here, and then tap into the extreme zone, come down, take the trade as well. It was 10th of January, and tap into the demand zone, and yeah, it's when it went to the supply zone again. Then take the Asian high, tap into the supply zone, come back and take the liquidity from above, change the character, take the Asian lows, breaking the market structure in a downside again, take the liquidity in this band, and look, this is the fresh supply zone from, and I put my stop loss just above the wick, like above the zone, and it was priced here when I sent the trade idea to my channel, and yeah, it goes really well, really well for me and the member who took the trade as well. So it just came back, tapped to the zone, hanging around a little bit time, and then keep pushing downside and take hours, take profit. Yeah, those are two trade, guys. I took this week. I was quite busy, so can't focus on that, that group. But yeah, I took my few of my trade personally, and yeah, they're going really good well. And I sent those three trade into the Telegram channel, and yeah, those are they are smashing it into the take profit.